What's up, guys? Coach Garrett here. Welcome to Axistence workout of the day. So, in this workout, we have for the strength, we have a 20-minute E4MOM. So that's going to be 5 sets every 4 minutes. In that practical side, we're going to be doing 8 single leg deadlifts on each leg, 20 kettlebell swings, 5 single arm push-up progressions. On the tactical side, we'll be doing 8 deadlifts with a barbell, 5 box jumps, and then 5 push-ups, one-arm push-ups. All right. So again, the intent is to really build that hinge pattern, strengthening our posterior chain, and then on the practical side, you'll be working on balance as well by doing a single leg work, and then being very explosive. So 20 powerful swings. And then building up that single arm strength with the one-arm progressions. For the tactical, you're going to be loading a little heavier, and it's going to be more a bilateral movement with the deadlifts. And then you're going to work on that explosive power still with doing box jumps. And then as well as into the 5 one-arm push-ups on each side. Now for the work capacity, we have 2 4-minute AMRAPs. Now on the practical side, it's going to be 10 push-ups and 16 jump lunges, which is the same for the tactical. Then you're going to take a 2-minute rest and do another 4-minute AMRAP, 10 push-ups, and then 30 Peguin Taps for the tactical. Tactical will also be doing 10 push-ups again with 30 double unders. Okay? So again, the intent of this is for you to be able to move through this quickly. It is only 4 minutes, so you should be able to get a lot of volume in that 4 minutes. So some things you can do is, if 10 push-ups seems like a lot, break it up into 5. Do 5 push-ups, and 16 jump lunges. Or you can do the same thing. You can just cut the whole thing in half and go for 5 push-ups, 10 jump lunges, and then go that route. And then the same deal with the second portion of the 4-minute AMRAP. If you do have a jump rope and you're working on no motion, let's say you're not quite right where you can keep going, maybe switch to single motion so you can keep moving. Again, it's meant to be intense, short intense, so move fast, move hard. All right, guys, and that is today's workout.
For the single leg deadlifts, you're going to want to pick up the weight, get yourself set up. You're going to have a soft bend in the knee, and then you're going to keep that back leg straight. Really think about pushing that heel back and pointing that toe in. And you're going to see from the side here that I have a nice straight line. So my leg is straight. I'm keeping that chest up and then dipping down, getting as low as I can. You notice that my weight actually doesn't touch the ground here. Get as low as you can with kettlebell swings. You're going to get your hips back. You're going to swing that kettlebell back and pop those hips. At the top of the swing, you want to flex your quads, squeeze your butt, and squeeze your abs like you're doing a plank at the top of the swing. From the side here, you see my 2-foot takeoff. My chest is up, my hips are back, and I'm driving my hips up, standing nice and tall. Nice and tall here. And here are the push-up progressions. So you can start with the box, hands elevated, keeping that plank tight, regular push-ups. Again, the plank is still tight. I'm just putting more weight in the hands. Then from here, I am doing archer push-ups. So you're getting a wide stance, and then you're going to slide. If you need to, you can go on your fingertips to shift even more weight onto the hand. And then finally, the one-arm push-up. So you want a wide stance, staying as tight as you can, getting as low as you can, and driving it up. On the tactical side, you're going to get your feet about hip width apart. The bar is going to be right underneath your feet. You're going to grip the bar with the hands just outside the bar. My hips are back, chest is up, and I stand nice and tall. And flexing my body at the top. From the side here, you see my back is nice and flat. I'm locking my shoulders in. And boom. And that'll be paired with a box jump. So you're going to drive your hips back and jump up powerfully, landing on the box softly. And then from the side here, you see them keep my chest up, hips back, and using the hips to generate that power to get up on top of the box. for the conditioning, you're going to be doing 10 push-ups. So you see I'm keeping my elbows close to the side. My body is staying in a nice straight line with the plank, down and up. Then you're going to pair that with jump lunges. So you're going to jump straight up and scissor your legs, and then absorbing the force. So I'm putting down softly with my knees. Keeping that belly tight, chest up. If the jump lunges are too much, you can do regular lunges, which will be gentler on the knees, and you're still absorbing the force and kissing the knee onto the ground. For the second 4-minute AMRAP, you're going to do push-ups again. Remember, just all the way down, all the way up, staying nice and tight. And then for the practical, you'll be doing Peguin Taps. You're going to keep your body nice and straight. You're going to jump tall, tap the sides of the hands, and absorb the force to the feet and rebound. If you have a jump rope, you will do double lunges. So similar position, stay nice and tall, chest back. You're going to jump high enough to get the rope through twice.